how to see your GCash referral code. Before we start, hurry up and check out the links of purchase under this video. So let's get started. So, in this case, you might be wondering, where is your referral code here in GCash? Well, finding or seeing your referral code is fairly easy with GCash. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to access your GCash account. Now, how do you exactly go to your settings or visit your referral code here? Let's go open up our app here and basically log in within the app. Now, once you've logged in, this is what it's going to look like. Now, what we need to do here is we need to access our account. Now, in order for you to access your account here, what we need to do is we need to look for the profile option at the bottom right of your screen. Now, by the way, if you don't see it, you could just basically move your screen around here and it will actually appear. Now, what we need to do is we just need to click on it. And from here, what we need to do is we need to scroll down in this menu and basically look for the option that says referral. So typically, you should be able to see it here in the very bottom section here that says refer friends, which in this case, on the next screen, you should have the option to basically either share it via SMS, share it to other platforms if you want to. But then again, this feature might not always be available. So in this case, if you don't see it right now, it means GCash does not support